Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear turn signal bulbs on your 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry. This may extend even as far as 2013. I don't precisely know the years, but it's definitely 2007 and up for quite a number of years. The bulbs that I am replacing, I'm going to be using LED bulbs manufactured by a company called Auxito. So you will hear me refer to them by name in this video. Regardless of whether you're installing LED bulbs or incandescent bulbs, the process is exactly the same. So now let's go out to the car and I'll show you how to do this. So the first thing you have to do is locate your turn signals and see which light it is. It's these here. These are the reverse lights. Unfortunately, I bought the car that way. I wouldn't do such a thing, but such is. Anyways, this is the turn signal bulb that we're going to be replacing. So we have to open the trunk. So on this car, there's a little hatch. You just open it up just like that. And in here we can see two bulbs, one down here and one up here. This is the turn signal. You just verify on the outside. And the way it works very simply is you just grab it and you give it a twist. And the camera unfortunately is a bit in my way, but you just give that a twist counterclockwise and it'll pop out. My hand's in the way anyway, so let me get that pop there. Like I said, just give it a twist counterclockwise. There we go. I just gave it a twist and now wiggle it and you can pull it out, and there is the old bulb. So now we're going to replace that. This simply pulls out. Just wiggle it back and forth until it pops out, just like that. And now we're going to put the new Auxito bulb in. So now we take the new Auxito bulb and just go ahead and wiggle that and plug it in. There we are right there. I'm going to give this a test before we put it back in the car. Well, you can clearly see that not only is that bright, but indeed, like I said, the instant on and off. So now I'm going to go ahead and install that back into the car. So now putting it back in, you just take that, put it in, and now you just kind of twist it around a bit. You see how it moved a bit? We're just going to wiggle it and play with it, and it's going to seat into place like that. And now we give it a twist again to lock. There you go. You get that click when it's in place. Now I'm going to show you the back of the car with the new LED bulb on this side and the standard old halogen bulb on the other. See if you can spot the difference. Notice anything different at all? The difference is absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead now and replace the right side so they're even, and of course I'll demonstrate that to you. It's exactly the same procedure on that side. Say, if this video helped you out, please consider clicking the like and subscribe buttons. That lets me know I did a good job making this video and I can continue to provide them for you. Have a great day.